Who wants to be a grassomaniac? What's up, all my grassomaniacs? Today I'm actually going to be a Disney maniac, because today Disney released the opening dates to Star Wars Galaxy Edge in Disney World and Disneyland. Disneyland will be opening up on May 31st, so happy birthday to me. They always open up something near my birthday, but that's out in Disneyland, out in California. And Disney World's going to open August 29th. See, the original date they released was late fall, which I figured to be, October, November, but guess what? It's going to be early fall, because August 29th, that ain't fall yet, but almost there. So that's a little bit of hype with some Disney talk, with big news of that land that's going to open up at those parks. I figure a lot of people don't like Disney, but they love Star Wars, so I figure the crowds will be crazy, especially on the opening weekend. But I hate to see how long these lines will be for these rides when it opens, because Pandora, when it opened, I think it was the end of May 2 years ago, and it's still crazy busy for those rides that are there. The wait times are ridiculous for those rides in that land. I can only imagine all the Star Wars people out there that's going to come just to check out Star Wars land, which I figure it'll be cool. I heard one ride, it's going to be like Flight of Passage, but a whole lot better, is what I heard. And if you rode Flight of Passage, you would know that I think it's like soaring on steroids, but it is really good. I feel sorry for people that get motion sickness that can't ride it, because that is one of the coolest rides that they have with new technology. I'm sporting my Yankee hat. This is the last time they won the World Series, which was the inauguration season of the new stadium, which was way back in 2009. Hopefully this year they'll make it to the World Series, what I hope for. But baseball is a sport that all depends on the players staying healthy and who's hitting the ball and throwing the ball good when it comes to postseason time. I figure I'll get a lot of haters out there, but I've always liked the Yankees since I was a boy. The funny thing is, the closest team around me is like the Cincinnati Reds. We've been to a couple games out there. I'm hoping to actually go out maybe this year, because they picked up a lot of new players, traded for, so they should be a lot better than they have been in the past. So hopefully I might have some time to take a family trip out, see a baseball game out there. As always, thanks for watching, all y'all grassomaniacs. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram at Mo Like a Pro.
Grassomaniacs, it's time to to subscribe to this channel.